Hi friends, welcome to Swayam Shiksha platform. Now this is this video is basically related to handling mental blocks. Now it looks a little funny in the sense like why now Sudhir sir started uploading such kind of videos which are you call it as motivational, or some students call it as something other than the subject basically. Well, we are going to come up with the subject videos. Now, whatever I am doing as part of the motivational videos are my conversations with students on a regular basis. Now, 3 days back, when I was talking to some of my students, they said, so in the Telegram group, that is the Swayam Shiksha Telegram group, we are posting some question papers asking students to solve, and some students are asking doubts on WhatsApp, etc. And now since we can't meet in a physical classroom because of COVID, now there are a lot of issues which I started noticing. Now one student says that, sir, anyhow there is Corona, so there's a lot of unknown entity, and therefore I'm not able to concentrate, I'll not study, I'm not able to study. And what is the point in studying also? See, the cases are increasing. Now my one small question to you all is Corona stopping you from preparation? Or is it your mental block? Or is it your, what is the logic? Suppose there are students who have failed last 2 years with respect to the prelims exam. Now the prelims date has been postponed, that is October 4th. Now what they are trying to say is, anyhow there is Corona, and therefore, so we don't know what's going to happen. Just because you don't know what's going to happen, is it that we have stopped doing our regular activities? I don't understand. For example, we eat food and we drink water, we sleep regularly. Whatever all the animals are doing, we are doing as well. Now the only thinking here is it your last year's failure? Or is it the fear of that exam? Or is it your unpreparedness that is stopping you from preparation? Or is it really Corona, is the logic? The logic, if really Corona affects people also, we have to do what we have to do every day. Suppose as a teacher, if I have to teach, if I have to take this video today, I have to take this video. There's no other option. I can't keep cribbing, oh, I resigned a government job and I started getting into this teaching field where I will start teaching, and suddenly there is Corona, therefore we cannot interact with students, or there are no students coming to me. These are all insecurities which are there for everybody. But in this point of insecurity, what is the best thing you can do? To handle that depression, handle fear, there are only two things which any individual can do, is identifying the reason for that particular fear, or identifying the reason for that depression. Is it really Corona? Is it the mental blockage? Is it that last few years I have failed with respect to taking this exam, and that fear is really stopping me? Because every day morning when you get up, we have to do something. For example, I have to start teaching, or I have to run my business, or I have to do my share market investing. I can't stop. Similarly, students who are writing the exam, if their exam is October 4th, if once you have taken a decision, a conscious decision to write the exam, you have to work towards it. So this is something which is most of the students were saying. So the logic is life moves on, whether there is Corona or not. Okay, every day morning, once we get up, we have to do something which we like and which we are targeting basically. And therefore, there's nothing like, I'm not going to do this because the life is uncertain. The exam itself is uncertain. And therefore, Corona is something like, Corona is just another aspect. Spanish flu, many people died. More people than, today, in fact. And basically the media is, of course, there's some, I'm not saying take Corona light. It is also, take all the precautions, but we should focus on our goal and we should start preparing, or we should do what we have to do. The second important thing is basically, sir, we have worked very hard work, last 2 years we have worked very hard. We slog like anything. And our friends have settled well. They've gone to US, and now we are again struggling. Now in the wake of Corona, we are not settled, and still we have to take this exam on October 4th. This is the discussion we had. Only the discussions with students I'm going to talk with you right now. So the whole logic here is you have taken a conscious decision that you're not going to US or you're not going to do a corporate job. You have taken a conscious decision that you'll prepare for the toughest exam, which is not quite uncertain, which is pretty uncertain. And just because corona or just because there is some uncertainty outside, some external factor, one other external factor, how come we start re-evaluating all our decisions with respect to taking a conscious choice of preparing for civil services or leaving a job which was secured earlier and you want to prepare? Is it because of the family situation has gone so worse that suddenly you want to go and work and feed your family? The whole logic here is 99% of the cases, these are not the fears. Just because there is some other mental blockage, we start re-evaluating and we want to give excuses for not working right now towards the goal which we have set. That is what I feel. So if I have to reach the students, I should look for ways in which I can reach the student, whether there is physical classroom, whether I will go to their house and talk personally, or whether there is something else. Third important thing here. Sir, I'm constantly worried and the whole of my energy is going out and worrying. Now then I say, fix a time for worrying then. So 11 morning, 7 to 9 o'clock, I will worry. 9 to 12, I will study. Then 12 to 1 o'clock, I will again get into this worrying mode. There's no logic for that. Rather than worrying, you should start thinking, what is the reason for my worry? Why did I go wrong last year? And when you take a conscious, rational decision, probably that worrying aspect will stop. Then, sir, can you give me guarantee that this year I will clear? Can you give guarantee that corona will not affect you? There is nothing like guarantee in this life. We have set a goal and the journey itself should be so entertaining that we immerse ourselves in this journey of preparation. The journey itself, for the journey of preparing itself, you should be so enjoying it. Otherwise, there's no point in preparing. It is called as hard work because you're not liking or you're not enjoying your preparation itself. If you're really enjoying the preparation, I don't think it should be something like I'm working very hard towards my goal. As we have set a goal, we should be enjoying the process of writing these tests, learning new things in terms of knowing about polity, economics, share markets, or whether it is about environment, etc. It should excite us. Only then, probably, it will not be termed as hard work. Once we are terming it as hard work or I'm slogging, means we do not have any kind of love towards the preparation or the journey. And therefore, the final goal itself becomes very, very difficult. With great effort, I've reached the goal. I don't think so. So the process should be so entertaining. For example, for me, if teaching is so entertaining, I want to reach you, then maybe when there is corona, also I have to reach you. I have to conduct tests. Though there is no consistent income flowing because of your conscious business decision, because I've resigned a government job, the things are same for everybody. But our process should not stop. Probably I think. So rather than worrying, start thinking and analyze what is the reason for the fear. Is it really corona or is it another mental block that is stopping you? Is it really depression? What is depression? I don't understand what is depression. I don't understand what is depression in the sense, why are you depressed? Sir, I am stressed. Without working, you will be stressed only. When there is a calamity, you should engross yourself in something else that this aspect will not come to your mind. Even the failure of the exam should not touch us because the preparation is so entertaining for us. You make preparation so entertaining, otherwise there is no point in preparing itself. That is what I feel. Of course, these are my viewpoints in terms of handling depression or in terms of handling fear. I'm not a Baba to tell you, depression will go just like this. Or, worry will go. There's nothing like, what is the reason for worry? What is the logic behind my worry? Will this worrying solve my problem? I don't think so. Worrying will solve anybody's problem here. Action, getting into action will solve the problem. When October 4th and again Jan, that is only 2 months. That means you have to do the mains preparation also. How come I will cover my ethics paper? What should I do with respect to my answer writing? Which is the best way to prepare at home? How should I revise? what are the mistakes I have done last year, which I shouldn't be doing this year, what mode of preparation, what strategy I should adopt this year based on my previous year preparation. If we are thinking on these lines and everything is like what do you call a wrestling game, every day is like a wrestling game, then it's quite entertaining. I don't think hardly will remember, oh, there is Corona also. How can Corona talk about your logic of not preparing for the exam? Still, that point I could not understand. Okay, so of course, these are my views, and I hope this will help the students in the sense, of course, help in the sense it will try to make you think what is the real reason for you not being focused, etc. And that's all. And I hope this video will put you on track to some extent for those people who decided to get into track. And I'll be coming up with some content videos also. And I wish you all the best, and just keep focus in terms of whatever you're doing, in fact. Whatever you're doing, that should not be stopped because of some other reason. Some reason, whether Corona is one reason, that's all. Thank you.